Multiple series from two different studies acquired at different times can be loaded for simultaneous viewing from the database window by single left-clicking the arrow to the left of the patient names to open the series descriptions. Single left-clicking on the first series to be loaded, depressing the Apple key while single left-clicking on the description of the second series to be loaded, and single left-clicking on the 2D, 3D viewer or 4D viewer icon, depending upon your needs. Note that the study dates are different for each series and that each series has to be selected with a single left mouse click to enable scrolling and other manipulation functions. A red box appears around the active window. In order to synchronize or link the series so that they can be scrolled and manipulated simultaneously, we will need to use the Sync function in Osirix. If the Sync tool has not been placed in the upper toolbar previously, single right-click in the upper toolbar area and select Customize Toolbar to add the tool. Drag the Sync icon to the upper toolbar. Click Done to close the Customize window. Scroll through the images in each window until you find an image from each series that appears to be at the same anatomical level. Let's use image 38 in the left window and 22 in the right window. Single left-click on the Sync icon and the series are now linked. To readjust the levels at which the images are linked, single left-click the icon that is now labeled Stop Sync. Individually select the series whose image level you want to readjust. On the left, let's use image 94, and on the right, let's use image 146. Single left-click on Sync to link these series. Close the display windows by single left-clicking on the database icon. This closes both the display windows for both studies. Another method to load series from two different studies for simultaneous viewing is to load the series of the first study by using the 2D, 3D, or 4D icon, or by double left-clicking on the series thumbnail. While in the display window, depress the Apple and D keys at the same time to go back to the database window without closing the first series. From the database window, select the second series to be displayed from another study and open using the 2D, 3D, or 4D viewer icons. Both series are now displayed. Close the display windows using the database icon. If you choose to load two studies without specifying which series you want displayed first, the application will automatically load the first series of each study in the display window. You can then select a different series to display for each study.